Okay, I know this is a stepladder, but hear me out because this thing is actually way more useful than I expected. The brand sent this over for me to check out, and the first and foremost, it's a really solid 3-step ladder. It's made from aluminum, has nice wide non-slip steps, and hand grip at the top, and it can hold up to 450 pounds, which is honestly pretty impressive. But what I really love is that it doesn't have to immediately get shoved into a closet when you're done using it. You can leave it open and use the steps for plants, stack some books on it, or even keep a couple folded blankets on there. It actually looks nice enough to leave sitting out, which I love. And when you do want it out of the way, this is probably my favorite part. It folds down to only about 2 inches thick and weighs around 9 pounds, so I can easily pick it up and slide it into a tiny space for storage. It's sturdy when I need the extra height, surprisingly cute when it's sitting out, and basically disappears when I don't need it. That's a pretty smart little ladder.